Have you come across Elizabeth's Seaside Boutique and wondered whether its huge revival sale is a genuine opportunity or just another online shopping trap? At first glance, the website presents itself as a long-established coastal fashion boutique that is supposedly closing its doors and offering massive discounts to save the business. However, after examining the available information, several details raise important questions that shoppers should carefully consider before placing an order. One of the biggest concerns is that the website's domain was reportedly registered only in April 2026, which does not match the impression of a boutique with a long history. The emotional story about struggling to keep the business alive may sound convincing, but it also creates pressure for customers to make quick buying decisions. The site further reinforces this urgency with countdown timers and claims that the sale ends very soon, a marketing tactic commonly seen on questionable online stores. Another point worth noticing is that many of the clothing photos appear highly edited or possibly AI-generated, making it difficult to know whether the products will look the same in real life. The advertised discounts are also unusually large, with premium-looking items marked down to surprisingly low prices, which can sometimes be a warning sign rather than a bargain. In addition, there is little verified information about the business itself, making it difficult to confirm whether it operates as a genuine local boutique. Some online shoppers have also reported concerns involving product quality, delivery times, refund experiences, and costly overseas return shipping. There are also questions surrounding the authenticity of some customer reviews, as several appear overly generic or difficult to verify independently. While none of these points alone proves that Elizabeth's Seaside Boutique is a scam, the combination of a newly registered domain, emotional marketing, aggressive discounts, limited business transparency, and reported customer concerns suggests that shoppers should proceed with caution. Research carefully and use secure payment methods before making any purchase.